Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Tuesday, October the 11th, 2011. A pretty quiet day today compared to what we've been experiencing lately. A very small range of, I think it was about 13 points or so, considering our average is at least twice that. So not a real lot of opportunity here, although you can see that the market continued to move higher. What we're looking at right here, by the way, are our market profiles, and this is what occurred today. This is the market profile and its corresponding volume profile. That's what occurred overnight, and this is yesterday. So we still seem to be moving up, although obviously it's either getting tired or waiting for a possible pullback. There's no big news or anything tomorrow. The big news is later in the week. Um, if you want to consider consumer sentiment and business inventories as kind of big news. I guess it's not as big as the employment report we had last week, but still news to come later in the week. But this kind of move up it's still looking bullish, although it looks like it's getting tired and likely wants to pull back. So we're looking at levels around 86 and then around 77 and 71 as areas of support within this up auction, and still looking around the 96 area, and then all the way up around 1214 as resistance. Here's the market profiles from just the regular trading hours, and we also use them in our analysis. Here's our software here, and you can see where our trades are identified. We had two long trades here, a short trade here, and a short trade here. So we had entries right here. This was put together. We actually got filled right here. It moved up, hit our first two objectives. So we had profits on 3 out of the 4 contracts, or three-fourths of our position on that trade. The final 1/4 was break even. The second, and we did take that trade too, was in the green filter, and of course we're intraday up auction. The next two trades we didn't take. The first one here, it did back off 1.25 for us, so it was a break-even trade overall. Although this trade worked out fairly nice, you can see the entry right there. It dropped 0.75, reaching our first two objectives before coming back up and just touching the entry price right there before having a nice down move. But both of these trades, as you can see, were in the neutral filter, and as a result, they were not taken because of the intraday up auction. So just one trade today, a little bit of profit, and that was it. But you can see how pretty tight range here today, and the areas that I'd mentioned of support and targets on the upside we're looking at. And any questions or comments you have, just get hold of us at info@eminidaytrader right here, and of course our telephone number is also on our website. You can always give us a call. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So we still like the long side, although it would not surprise me if the market would have to pull back a little bit to unleash some of these weak longs and attract some more buying before it moves higher. That's really what we're looking at for tomorrow. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.